Hello everyone, welcome to session 24 of QA training. In this session, we are learning test execution. Execute a test case. Test execution is the process of executing the test cases and comparing the expected and actual results. It is very important to execute test cases and create reports to monitor the progress of the testing. Test log. A test log is a document that records all the relevant details about the execution of one or more test cases. This test log is used by the testing team to record details of the test cases that have been executed, including the results. In addition, a test log specifies the status of a test case execution, which is pass, fail, and blocked. When the actual results matches with the expected results, the test case is said to have passed. However, if there is any discrepancy between the actual and the expected results, then the test case is said to have failed. The test log provides the important information about the incident that caused the test case to fail. The test case is considered to be blocked if we cannot proceed further steps due to a failed step. Attributes of test log. Attributes of test log represents the details of the output that results from the execution of the test cases. These attributes include test log identifier, test description, test case ID, execution description, actual result, status, environmental information, events, incident identifier, name of the tester, date of testing, and general comments. So here we are having different attributes for the test log document. Test log identifier is used to identify the test log. Test description, which describes all the information about the items being tested. A test case ID is used to uniquely identify the test case. Execution description, to describe the sequence of steps or actions to execute a test case. The actual result, that you observe when you execute the steps in the test case. So this actual result is coming from the application. So this is what we observe during the testing time from the application. And the status, this is the status of the test case. Pass and fail is a status of the test case. Environmental information, this is specific to the test case under execution. Which environment testing is happening. And events that resulted in the incomplete execution of a test case. Incident identifier, an incident identifier is used to identify the defect that occurs when a test case fails. Incidents can be defect in code, defect in test data, or defect in test document, or there can be errors in the way test case is executed. Name of the tester, the name of the person who executed the test cases. Date of testing, the date of testing by a user. General comments, this comments is about the execution of a test case. Test execution factors. Testing should be performed in the QA environment. Make sure that dev team work on code is not in the same place. Meaning, in the organization, development team will have the dedicated environment to develop the code, whereas QA team will have the dedicated environment to test the application. This is the general practice. General practice is to have dedicated dev and QA environment in the organizations. Following factors are to be considered for the test execution process. So here are the factors which are considered for a test execution process. Create test suite. Based on a risk, select a subset of test suite to be executed for the testing cycle. Assign the test cases in each test suite to testers for the execution. Execute tests, report bugs, and capture test status continuously. Resolve blocking issues as they arise. Report status and reconsider plans and priorities on daily basis. Keep test reports accurate, consistent, and timely manner. Ensure that testers interpret the test case results correctly. Proper execution of the test case is essential in ensuring the success of any testing project. After all planned tests are completed, a test summary report should be prepared. This summary report should summarize all the testing activities performed for the release. This final document is used to indicate whether the application is fit for the production or release. That's all from this session. Thank you, team. Thank you all.